Welcome to another TheraXPro tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a code that can share home exercise programs you've created with another clinician so that they can use it with their patients as well. We will also review how to import a shared home exercise program to your account. That way, if another physical therapist or an occupational therapist gives you a code to an amazing home exercise program, you can share it with your future patients. So let's get right into it. If you want to send a home exercise program template to a colleague or another therapist, you need to simply go to your Save Templates page and locate the template you want to share. There are a couple of options, but the one we are looking for is labeled Share. Once you open the Share icon, you are going to see a code at the top that is marked in a blue box. Click on the blue box and it will copy that code to your computer. The next step is to send the code to the clinician you want to share with by whatever means you prefer. And that's it. Now let's switch gears and pretend we are the clinician that is trying to import someone else's home exercise program to our account so that we can give that home exercise program to our future patients. Once we have access to the code that the other clinician shared with us, we need to go to our Save Templates page. You can see that this account has 0 saved templates so far. But at the very top, there are two options. We're going to select the second option that is labeled Import HEP. Paste or type the code you received and hit Import. Now you have a brand new home exercise program in your saved template that you can provide for your future patients. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more content.